to your feet, Sarah.
You mean like a better background or something?
Yeah.
Hello, this is Jolson37, and this is day 1 of building my Knex roller coaster. Still got some of the pieces laying out, and so far I've only got this small hill and a curve and part of the chain lift. Well, I don't have like a little order of days of what's happening, and so far it's just a little hill coming up and then a turn. So I'll be making more videos of this. I just wanted to show you day 1 of my Knex roller coaster. I also got another one called the Rippin' Rocket. It's 5 feet taller. I think it's a little taller than this one, but it's very cool. It has a launcher in it, no chain. This little picture of what the ride looks like. See, there's one loop. It's pretty cool. But this is it for this video of my roller coaster. Hello, this is Jolson37. This is day 2 of me building my Knex roller coaster. I got the chain lift right here and the hill. See, it's pretty basic. That's the whole thing right so far. And right now I'm working on the loop. It's probably going to be a little harder since it goes upside down, but this is what it looks like so far. It's got a little archway right here that you can crawl under, and you can look at the rides, like right here and right there and the loop. But this is it for right now, and I'll be making more videos. Hello, this is Jolson37. This is the finished product of the Screamin' Serpent roller coaster. Let's watch it go. See, it slows down right here, but it's fine, just because it's like the second hill. It's very neat. There's some stuff I had to fix on it, but still very cool. My favorite part of it is the loop. Ah.